king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only with king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On today's video, I am separating my client's hair. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because she was having such a hard time separating her hair. So I said, okay, let me go ahead, make a video teaching her how to separate her hair. And that way I can also teach you guys how to properly separate your hair. So what I am doing right now is spraying her hair with a little water. And as I spray, I'm going to rub it through. And what I'm doing, I grab a cluster of locks and I take one lock and I just bring it down. And I'm going to go ahead and continue this process until I am done with the entire hair. Just to remind you, she's about 11 weeks without a retightening, so her hair is really, really matted. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Go through this thing.
Yeah,
it's just not gonna happen. And you said it was taking you how long to do?
I would my arms would get so tired. I would spend about an hour at a time.
You put a lot of products in your hair?
Just recently when my hair started getting like this, because again, I'm not used to my hair not being done. I have a problem when I can't see the grit.
Okay.
So this is brand new to me, and I just started using, I started using oil actually, and I was using a curl. What is it? Khalib or whatever. It's a curl thing that they had instead of using gel.
Is it really creamy?
One was.
Anything that's really creamy, try not to use on your hair.
Okay.
Because it's gonna leave a lot of buildup. You see the buildup?
I do. Okay. And I've never done the ACV, but I definitely want to go ahead and do that because I.
You see how easy this is coming apart?
Yes.
You just want to make sure that none of the locks are marrying together.
Yes. I mean, like, you're doing it so... I struggle. I was literally, like, having to unravel, go circular, go... Like, it's crazy. All that was already... I've taken all that apart. Look at this. And see, then I didn't know which one she had split because some of them were feeling like, did she split this? And I don't want to rip that off and then tear the lock out. Look at this.
Just grab one lock, bring it down. One lock, bring it down. That's it.
I love it.
You can hear them separating.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Legs, a bunch of eyeballs, and it's an athlete shirt. It's an athlete spider. Nah, boo boo, you can't get me. Hi. Guys, watch out, there's seriously a spider.
Look at that. I mean.
Okay, and just like that, all this side is done.
Yes.
You see that? Everything has been separated. Everything is separated. There. All this has been separated. So we have one little section left.